Today is a new day. Today is a new day. Today is a new day. Today's I am is another I am from the comments recently. I love it. I love it. I love it. It says, I am enthusiastic about my future. You are enthusiastic about your future. I am enthusiastic about my future. Yes! Keep them coming. Today's eye makeup is the Ace Beauty Palette Poli. It is the palette I'm working with this month. When I've accomplished all the looks I think I need from this palette, I'll move to the next one. So if you have this palette, you'll see how to use your palette and work with your palette. Hey everyone, if you're new here, my name is V. I have very hooded eyes. Some days they're more puffier than others. I have folds, I have wrinkles, I have you name it. But this fold will not prevent me from creating eyeshadow look. You see? I'm going to do a one color eyeshadow look for all the people who love eyeshadow looks but like to use one color. I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to keep it simple, plain, no makeup, eyeshadow, lipstick, eyeliner, mascara. That's it for the people who just like that. So let us continue to empower ourselves about our I am and keep building our I ams. I will use the purple. It is called, the purple in here is called shoulder pad. Back in the day we used to use we had clothes with shoulder pads. As a matter of fact, I just came across a jacket I bought way back yonder in the 90s, I think I bought that, and it does have shoulder pads in it. Not as big as the back in the day, but it does have it in it. I'm using a big fluffy brush because it's just one color eyeshadow, so I'm using that. It makes it easier. I stretch my eyes to go in the fold. I already based my eyes. I like this palette. This palette is really nice. You don't hear too many people talking about these types of palettes, but I like to buy these kind of palettes because they are affordable. I am enthusiastic for my future. Oh, this is good. This is good. One color eyeshadow. And be gentle with yourself. Love yourself a little bit more each and every day. It is not easy to love yourself if you have never know how to love yourself. But learn to do that a little each and every day. Some of us grew up with parents who did not know how to give us love. We blame them and we tell them stuff as we get older. We get mad with them because they did not teach us love. But the problem is they themselves did not get love. They themselves did not have someone to love them. Some of them had to go outside their family members group to get love. Some people were molested at a young age. So your parents did not know how to give you love because they themselves had no love. I know there are parents who abuse their children, and that gives no one any right to do that. And if you hate your parents for that, I cannot tell you what to do about that. But I can tell you to learn to forgive yourself, learn to love yourself, so when you, or if you have kids, you will not repeat the same error. So remember, if you don't help yourself now, you might just be able to pass it on another. Maybe you fall in love with someone, and then as time goes by, you don't think they're giving you enough love. So now you are now in a mad state, and doing exactly what you would not have liked someone to do to you. Maybe get verbal abuse, emotional abuse, all the different abuse. So remember, if you don't want it for you, don't do it to another. And if you need help, remember to seek help, find help, talk to people. If your thoughts are not healthy, talk to someone, get help, and feel better. But let us try not to blame everything on our parents, because trust me, some of them went through really, really hard times. And that is no excuse again for them abusing their children. But at the same time, learn to forgive yourself and move on. Okay, this is our one color eyeshadow look. I did the purple. I love purple. And for everybody who loves purple, this is a purple single eyeshadow look. Eyeliner, black eyeliner. I love a black eyeliner. When I try to put anything else, like brown or purple or anything, it don't show up as much like my black eyeliner. So I love my black eyeliner. I'm staying close to my lash line. Mascara, simple makeup look for today. I have a little bit of fallout. I'll clean that, because today we are not using any powder, no foundation, no powder, no nothing, just for regular makeup day. Most people will use that. Black eyeliner, I love a black eyeliner. Like I tell you, brown will not show up on me. I put that in my waterline. I take a brown liner, I like to do the corner of my mouth. I'm using Milani brown lipstick. It is called, I don't have my glasses. I am enthusiastic about my future. I am enthusiastic about my future. You, I know you are enthusiastic about your future, because if you keep adding these I ams, your future will look different. This is today's one color purple eyeshadow look. I used eyeliner in the waterline only. I did not put it on the lash line, just the waterline. I used mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I used liquid eyeliner on the top. And the lipstick is called 38 Double Espresso by Milani. It is a pretty, pretty color. For my brows, I use the Lip Bar eyeshadow, the black. It is such a pretty black, nice, creamy. It's a very nice formula. I love it for eyeshadows, but lately I've been using it for my brows. Plain in Makeup by Yolando eye base. And that is all I have on my face today. I did not want to do powder or foundation or anything because I know lots of people just like to take care of their skin, do their skincare, and then just do the eyeshadow makeup, and that's it. And if that's what you love, keep doing that. Whatever brings you joy, keep doing that. Life is not easy, life is very short. People are passing away way quicker than it used to be before. Waste no time. Spend time with yourself. Do things you love. Do things you love with friends and family. Procrastination will put you years behind. If you look at things you and I have procrastinated about, it's been so many years behind it put us. Let us use this opportunity in 2024 to not procrastinate and keep moving forward and face our challenges and conquer it. We have the strength within us to conquer that. Moves that need to be moved, make them. Things that need to be left behind, do them. But remember, do what brings you joy. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. I simply make up a saying to be enthusiastic about your future. Bye. Yeah, powerful. Let's stay with it. Yeah. I am enthusiastic about my future. Yes. Keep them coming.